Today I'm going to show you a simple demonstration of Odell's Grease Pro Mop. First, I'm going to pour about 250 milliliters of regular cooking oil into the beaker here. Then we're going to add the coloring, about just enough to mix up so the yarn will take up you can see the yarn taking up the oil. So now what I'm going to do is put the just a regular poly cotton blend mop yarn that is used throughout the industry into this oil, and then watch how it disperses in regular water. So we'll put it in there for about 5 seconds. Good dunk. And just squeeze off the excess here. I'm going to make a little mess, but that's what I'm talking about in a minute. I'm just going to place it in the water. Next will be the competitor's Grease Pro Mop. Get it down there. That should be good. Again, we'll kind of squeeze it to stop it from dripping. Okay, put it in this beaker. And now we'll put Odell's Grease Pro Mop yarn into the solution. And like they say, a picture's worth 1,000 words, so when I put mine into this is just plain water, these 3 beakers here, there's no degreaser in it at all. This is proprietary yarn blend, and it will release grease, as you will see when I put it into this plain water. It's very good for food service applications. Picks up more grease on the floor, releases it back into the bucket. Especially, we recommend a double bucket system when using this, because it really separates the oil and grease from the clean water, and you get a safer floor. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. Now, if you will watch the Odell grease yarn, you can see that the grease is actually coming off the yarn and floating to the top very nicely. And again, this is just plain water, no degreaser in the water at all. Fantastic. And if you pan over to the competitor's grease mop, basically nothing. And if you go to the poly cotton blend, same result. Let's go back to the Odell Grease Pro Mop and look at that. No agitation at all. So imagine if you were dipping it into a wringer with degreaser and wringing it out, how clean it would be. That's the Odell Grease Pro Mop. The competitor's grease mop, and just a traditional blended mop. So if we give it a whirl, even more grease is released, as you can see. So let's go to the competitor's grease mop, and you can see I'm agitating it very vigorously. Let's see what happens. I see very little release from this mop, or this mop yarn. And this is the polycotton traditional blend. Agitate it. Again, same result. Let's look back. Polycotton blend, competitor's grease mop, and the Odell Grease Pro. Quite a difference. Look at the film on top. So you can see just by this simple exercise that this yarn, and it's still releasing grease, as I say, it's a proprietary blend. You can go to our website and find out how it's made and more about the yarn itself and the tools that come with it, and the recommended tools, I should say, that come with it, and how it should be used. Any questions, please give us a call, 800-342-2843. Visit our website, www.odellcorp.com, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.